here, my name is Natasha, and if you're returning, welcome back. We're going to be making some chocolate pumpkin cookies today, or I guess they could just be pumpkin cookies and you can make them chocolate pumpkin cookies if you want to add chocolate chips. But I'm going to take you through the directions of making this, and I hope that you can add it to your additions of favorite cookies for your household maybe. And if you've got some extra supply of pumpkin right now because 'tis the season, or if you catch this video a little later once the season is past, if there's any pumpkin in your grocery store or you're just interested in making some of these pumpkin cookies, you can use this recipe down below, and this is how you'll make it. Start with browning the butter on your stovetop in a pan. Watch it very carefully, you don't want it to burn. And while that is getting hot, you can still gather all of the spices that you're going to need for this recipe. Add it to this butter mix once it's started to brown, and then you'll stir them all together so that it really cooks nicely in with butter. Once it starts browning, I turn down the stove a little bit just so that it doesn't burn. Once that's mixed together, I take the pan off of the stove because I want it to cool down to room temperature, and you can even pour it into a different bowl completely so that it just cools down even faster. Now while that is cooling down, I'm going to mix together all the dry ingredients so that it is ready for me to mix with this butter mixture once it's cooled down. This includes the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. out with me while I make these pumpkin cookies. And again, if you're interested in the recipe, I'll link it down below for you to grab from the blog. And if you're interested in content like this, hanging out with me in the kitchen or maybe out in the garden when it's more of a gardening season, or going on trips like camp trips or on sailboats or things like that, please stick around and subscribe to this channel and catch some of the upcoming content. Alright, have a nice day.